How to enable email, new messages, notifications on SoundCloud mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable email, new messages, notifications on SoundCloud mobile. First, then open SoundCloud, and here we'll find library. Click on it and then click here on your profile, and now click settings and then notifications. Now just scroll down until you find here you will find email notifications, then just scroll down. Here you will find new message. Just disable it, enable it, click on it, and then go back, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.